Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the mountains, there lived a wise monk named Dogen. He was known for his wisdom, kindness, and ability to solve problems in unique ways. People from far and wide would come to seek his counsel. In the same village, there lived a wealthy but greedy merchant named Hiroshi. Despite his wealth, he was never satisfied and always wanted more. One day, Hiroshi heard about the monk's wisdom and thought to himself, if this monk is so wise, perhaps he can tell me a way to double my wealth. Determined, Hiroshi visited the monk's temple. When he met Dogen, he said, "Wise monk, I have heard of your great wisdom. I have worked hard to accumulate wealth, but I am not content. Please tell me how I can become even wealthier." The monk smiled gently and said, "I can help you, but first, you must complete a task for me." "What task?" asked Hiroshi, eager to learn the secret. "I want you to take this jar of oil and carry it around the village without spilling a single drop," said the monk, handing him a jar filled to the brim with oil. "If you return without losing any oil, I will share the secret to greater wealth." Hiroshi, being cautious by nature, carefully took the jar and began walking around the village. He walked slowly and deliberately, his eyes never leaving the jar. He avoided bumps and obstacles, focusing entirely on his task. After hours of walking, he finally returned to the temple. "Here is the jar," Hiroshi said, proud of himself. "I have not spilled a single drop." The monk took the jar, smiled, and asked, "While you were walking around the village, did you notice the beautiful flowers in the gardens or the children playing in the streets?" "No," Hiroshi replied. "I was too focused on the jar to notice anything else." The monk nodded and then said, "This is how you live your life, focused only on your wealth, missing the beauty and joy around you. You asked me how to gain more wealth, but you already have everything you need to be happy. True wealth is not measured in gold and silver but in the richness of your experiences and relationships." Hiroshi was struck by the monk's words. For the first time, he realized that despite his riches, he had never truly enjoyed life. From that day on, he became more generous and began to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. Moral: true wealth is not just about material possessions but the richness of life's experiences and relationships.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.